Alright, we're going to do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. Here on this wheel, you can see it does have rash. The rest of those spokes and edge of the wheel look good. You do have rock impacts and some rock chips here on the fender. Upper section looks good. Little rock impacts here and there, but for the most part that's really nice. Here on the side mirror, typical rock impacts, otherwise looks good. Looking at the A-pillar, looks good. You got the big sunroof. I'm gonna come up here to the door. A few little surface scuffs. Here on the handle, you do have some fading, a couple chips. Overall, that edge is really nice. A couple tiny surface scuffs, a little chip. These are hard water spots that are stained into that pillar. So you can see that. You have fading on the top of this door handle as well. You do have some scratches here, so it looks like something kind of grazed the side. I mean, it's very faint. You got to get up really close. You're going to see a little bit here. Looking at that wheel, a little rash on the edge. You got some rash right there. And then you have some graze marks here on that flare. And you have some scratches here, little mark there. This was blacked out, but you can see it chipping in the red underneath. You have some damage here, some large gashes across the edge. All of that looks like it's been touched up. The headlights are a little cloudy and they are etched with bug residue here, so it like kind of sat on there and kind of impacted the clear a little. Some markings here, a little bit of overspray on those edges, typical rock impacts. I'm looking at that, some markings there. Scan the hood, a couple rock chips. Overall it looks really nice. Get down low here, so this has been painted. You're going to see all of the texture and orange peel there and the overspray on the plastic. Looking under here, there's some rash. You have a little spot down there. Headlights the same here. On that fender, a couple little scuffs. This wheel has rash almost all the way around, but it has been touched up. You can see the rash goes all the way around. Overall mirror looks good, A-pillar looks nice. You have some chips here. You can see that material is fading. Looks like they are vinyl wrapped. Some chips on the edge. Overall that door looks good. Typical swirls here on that pillar. You do have something here on the paint. See, it's kind of brown in this area and it's kind of wrinkled. It looks like it had some body damage here that was somewhat repaired. You got some markings there. A little bit of rash on this wheel. That taillight is very clear, looks good. Now this taillight does have moisture in it, so it is broken somewhere. So you can see the water inside of it. This bumper has been painted. You can see they painted over the sensors here, and you're gonna have the texture and orange peel. And then over here, it is damaged. You can see they painted over the sensor there. And then we do have some little scuffs here. Looking at the upper section, overall it looks really good. Here in the trunk, looks good. Just gonna scan through the engine bay here. All of this is nice and clean. And then the underhood liner looks really nice. All right, checking out the interior. It is a non-smoker. That upper panel looks perfect. You do have wear around here with little scuffs. Those buttons look good. The lower panel looks nice. You do have some scratches. You have a gash right there. Jambs look nice. A couple small scuffs, but otherwise that bolster is in great condition. A little bit of wear on the edge here. The rest of that seat though looks really good. You can see all of this is separated, really common. Got some scratches here from little fingernails kind of grazing it. It is shiny, and you're going to see all of the scratches up here. All of that's in great condition. The red there is really nice. The red here is perfect. But here on the black, you can see it is separating. I'm going to zoom in. You can see right there, separating as well, and it kind of wrinkled up pretty good. And then you have some damage right there. The rest of that screen looks good. Buttons look nice. That works perfect. The rest of this looks really, really good. Here on the front right door panel, upper leather is nice. This is separating a little bit here. A couple small scuffs. Otherwise, that's in great condition. Got the lights here on the ground. Looking at the trim, a couple dings. Otherwise, looks good. Carpets are super clean. You have a couple scuffs. You're going to see a few of those. You have a wrinkle right here. Upper section looks amazing though. Overall, that's a really good looking seat. You can see that's all separated. All of that looks good. A couple scuffs here. That looks nice. The red is clean, but you can see this has rippled and separated from the backing. So I'll go through here. See, you can see how it's separated right there. It's kind of pulling. Looking at the liner, looks good. Here on the back right door panel, you have a couple indentions, a few small scuffs. The rest of that looks nice. Seat back looks good. Got a couple markings here, a few little scuffs. The back looks really good. All right, we're going on a quick test drive here. We have 61,279 miles on the car. Got the black and red interior. The flickering that you'll see here, that is just in camera, that is not in person. Steering wheel is nice and straight. It doesn't have any type of shimmy to it. We are in sport mode. Shifts nice and smooth, no issues there. Drives really nice.